The San Bernardo Scenic Byway. A road trip down LA 46 is a journey to a world far removed from the ordinary. It's a route that merges past and present. And once a year, that road becomes extraordinary as classic cars and hot rods cruise to Parish in an event that is hosted by the local car club, the St. Bernard Rod Knockers.
We got a group of guys, we've all probably been raised together for the last 50 years, and we all have a passion of cars.
That passion hits the pavement in a full-blown celebration of car culture.
Mommy's got a new station wagon to make sure the kids get to school on time. Oh yeah! You hear that? That's the sound of a party. I think I killed it.